recording. Okay, we're back.
No, I'm so far away from the water.
Okay, we're back, and yeah, we're pretty much almost done. Yay! Can you say yay?
Can I get another bucket?
Just get some iron, dude.
Yay.
Tell him that the monster spawner's kind of running through his room, and not to worry.
Which one?
Yours is running through it. Look at that! Look, we almost got it perfect. I'm falling from cloud. See, and look at this thing right here. It's gonna make it look cool. Dude, we're making the ultimate spawner. I think this room is just gonna be, it's not gonna be a tree farm anymore. Look at this. Look at that, it's gonna be. What's your head in? What a hand in. Guys, we're almost done with it.
Fuck, I messed up.
Whoa. You remember this is G rated.
Oh, really?
Actually, it's not. It's probably rated R right now. Arg for pirates. No, fucking pirates can be my shit. What they're gonna do is they're gonna fall. Summer school week. Ah, screw summer school.
Summer school.
My grades should be good enough. I should be able to get out of summer school.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 7th. Oh no, the people are gonna they're gonna comment and be like, "You shouldn't be that young and be cussing." It's like, you shouldn't be that dicky and eating my dick.
Of course you'd say that.
Sorry if I offend you people. Oh no.
Don't be sorry. If they're gonna be like that, they're douchebags. So, don't say you're sorry. It's their fault for watching this fucking video.
Yeah, cause they're.
Talk if you don't like it.
Yeah. Suck Ashton's cock if you don't like it. Okay? Dang it.
How does it have to go?
Let me just get some buckets of water. How high does it have to go? I got your pretty much high, so you should be okay.
Mm-hmm.
I got your thing pretty much, so it's like they're gonna run into this and they're gonna be like, "What the God happened? Jesus tits." By the end of this video, don't blame me for you saying Jesus tits.
Jesus tip. I blame by.
You think this might kill them? Let me take off my armor and check.
Yeah.
If not, we can just always make it lower.
Oh yeah, I was making the signs.
So then they're gonna fall down here. That's only 3 hearts, so we need to make it lower. Ow. Oh, I accidentally extended my screen. Excuse that, guys. I don't want bees to walk on my skin. I don't know about you, but I'd be crapping myself. I'd be like, oh my god. See,
To the what?
bees.
Oh, Ah, dude, I'm allergic to every type of bee, so I'd be crapping myself too.
Of course, we're at 5 minutes.
Yeah?
Hurry up and finish yours.
Oh my god. Stop being so picky.
I don't want more than 3 videos.
No!
Put, like, right here.
Yeah, no, I need more water.
It's actually pretty cool, guys. I wasn't expecting it to look this cool.
Oh no. Alright, you fucked it up.
Where the fuck? You weren't supposed to do that yet. This might work, guys. If this design doesn't work for you, you can always message me or Skype me and tell me what your problem is. It's almost there.
Our fucking problem is now.
What's our fucking problem?
Look.
6, 7, 8.
We put the water down, we put 2 of them, and then it fills it up. See?
Oh, come on, dude. Keep it right there so I can swim up. Look at this, guys. I'm on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on by a truth. Oh, yeah. Hell no. Hell no. Not like this. Not like this. Ha 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 ha. I beat you. Ha ha ha. Whatever. Put 4 signs right there, so they make it so they get pushed into that. Or we can just put, just put 2.
Okay, now what's supposed to...
So what they're gonna do is they're gonna. Oh, we need 1 more sign.
No, the signs are put in the wrong places. They'll continue to swim no matter what.
Let me just fall down there and see what the fall damage is.
Okay.
Let me wait for the water.
Problem.
Let me wait for the water. That should be good. 3 hearts of damage. That should be good, shouldn't it?
Yeah, then we just have a stone sword or whatever.
They should be left with 3 hearts. Okay. Okay, that should be good. See, guys, this is a good design because it's just a good design. I'd like to see you do better. This makes it slower. What you want is for them not to shoot you, so... Okay, then we're gonna put tons of ladders right there. Okay. Come on, dude. Figure it out.
Okay, I have one type figured out.
Why pay an exterminator to come in with dangerous chemical? I'm climbing on cloud 9. You put a D. You know what that means? Dick.
Yeah, I know. I did the type of food just for you.
Oh, you buddy.
Well, this thing's kind of fucked up.
the fuck?